Hi, I'm Chris Siegal, Vice President of Product Development at SATCO Products. I am with Doug Fromberg, the Product Manager of all things STARFISH, and today we are going to be talking about our new doorbells.
We had a lot of success with our wireless doorbells, and we got a lot of requests for a wired version, and here it is, wired version. It's going to install the same way. It does have a battery built in, so it is a rechargeable battery. So if you want to install it wirelessly, you can. It's going to have the same functionality. The battery will last 4 to 6 months if you have 10 activations a day.
Something a little different between this one and the original one that we had is this piece right here, right?
The other chime was you just plug it in. It has a couple of tunes. With this chime, you can actually go in the app and you can change what you want the tune to be.
And the chimes are available as accessories.
Yes.
But do they come inside the box as well?
Yep, included in the box as well. You
Okay,
get one
so
chime. Like all other STARFISH cameras, there's no subscription. No annual subscription, no monthly subscription. It comes with a SD card included. You can upgrade the SD card to 128 megabyte. So the doorbells by nature are not 24/7, they're motion activated. And for the most part, you'll probably get a solid 6 months, even a year, before the doorbell will automatically override the oldest video.
So when you pair this with your STARFISH app, you can go through and you can watch the videos however you like.
Absolutely. You can save them, you can take screenshots from them, and then you can even forward them right through the STARFISH app via Messenger, via email, however you want.
And so tell us a little bit about the installation as far as wiring it in.
So when wiring it, on the back of the doorbell, there are these two holes. We have the accessory bag in the box. It comes with the screws, and what you're going to do is you're just going to take these extenders and you're just going to screw them in. One on this side, one on that side. And then when you're removing the existing doorbell, there's going to be 2 wires sticking out. You're just going to take the end here of these 2 wires. You're going to connect them to the wires coming out of the wall, and then you're just going to use your wire connectors to secure and then push it back into the wall as best as you can.
So you have the tool here that if you want to install it battery only and you don't want to have to wire it, then you can take this off. You can take off the front and you can charge it.
Right.
So you would never need this if you install it wired, right?
Correct. So you're going to have the bracket, you're going to have the doorbell, you're going to line up the bottoms, and it just snaps in. And then to remove it, it comes with this little needle, and there's a hole right at the top here, and you're just going to punch that in, and it's just going to snap right off.
And then you charge it.
And then you charge it. So for a existing installation where they have just a regular standard doorbell and an existing chime, what's going to happen is the power is going to run into the transformer. Transformer is going to send it to the split between the chime and the doorbell. The doorbell is not actually getting enough electricity to charge the battery. So that's why we've included this jumper. On the existing chime, there'll be 2 screws. You're actually going to stick this in to both screws. You're going to unscrew them, stick this in, tighten them, and now it's actually sending electricity to both wires, which is enough to power the doorbell. And so the doorbell will get the power to continuously charge the battery 24/7. If it's a wireless installation, just like the previous version, you can set an alert in the STARFISH app that says battery levels at 30%, 20%, or 10%, giving you a little bit of a heads up.
When we're going to do the install, pairing is a big issue. You want to make sure that you pair within your Wi-Fi network, right?
Right, but we recommend pairing it inside the house because sometimes the signal has a little trouble getting outside. Right on the back, there's an on-off button. So you're just going to press the on-off button. It's going to cycle through, and it's going to go right into pairing mode, and you'll just go right into the STARFISH app, and you'll pick the doorbell, and it'll pair right up.
For this product and all other STARFISH products, please visit us at satco.com.